is up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to Kevin 82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, we're out here in Lake Elsinore for the 6th annual Lambs Fellowship Car and Bike Show. Dude, that's right. So some of you guys might have saw a small Instagram post I had talking about attending this, but one thing I didn't say, and I wanted to keep it kind of hush until the day of the competition, I didn't announce it on social media, and that is I am a guest judge at this car show. Awesome. First time doing it, but for anybody who competed in this competition, don't fret. You can check my resume. I've been in car cultures and the car industry for over 10 years. So I have a lot of experience with checking out the details of certain cars. When I was judging all of your cars, if any of you guys were in the competition, when I was judging your cars, I checked on every single meticulous detail. So not to hurt anyone's feelings, if you didn't win an award, you most likely know why, but for those who won, you know why you did. So we're just going to take a small walkthrough of the cars that are still here. I've been busy all day judging the competition and making the decision. The ceremony is right now, but I'm just going to give you guys a small walkthrough of some of the cars, the ones that did win any award or I nominated for an award or whatnot. I might point those out, or we just do a walkthrough. So let's go ahead and jump into it, get started. So you guys, just to let you know, we split it up into different sections so everybody had their own section. This middle section right here was one of the other judges, and we had Liz actually be our third judge, and she did the outer rim and everything like that. So these cars, we're gonna walk through my section first. I'm gonna cut the clips and show you some of the details on some of these cars, and yeah. So you guys, this is one of the cars that, like, it's the details. So like, if you're wondering if you're ever interested in displaying your car at a show or whatnot, it's been able to have everything from paint, body, trim, all that stuff is judged. So every single piece of detail when it comes to the engine bay, polishing things, keeping that clean. Also some of the undercarriage suspension components, if you have bad axles or anything like that, anything leaking, all that stuff is going to be judged. Interior work, you got to have your interior work on point. Everything has to, including steering wheels, because I had to mark some cars down because they didn't take the extra time to really clean the steering wheel. So everything has to be clean and meticulously, like I'm talking about just extreme details. So without that, would it be right for me to basically give an award or nominate a car for an award when he didn't put as much time and detail into his cleaning and detailing process as the guy next to him? So that's something you guys can think about. But yeah, just walk through with some of these cars. And that's another thing too, is I will give away a secret. Well, it's not even a secret, but think about the fact that these cars, this guy right here, for an example, hood popped, everything on the engine bay clean. Does this guy have his hood popped? No, he does not. That is an awesome vehicle. But when it comes to the competition, I believe the hood was popped on that one earlier. So just to let you know, when it comes to competition, engine bay is part of the category. So if I can't see the engine, how do I judge it? So that's something you guys can take into consideration if you're ever wondering why you didn't win, you know, certain awards or whatnot. So this one right here, nice. Nice. So yeah, so part of this, I'm not gonna be saying much. I'm just kind of showing you guys the cars. So yeah, this one, it's all in the details, people. Interior. Details, people, details. Think about that. Some of you guys already know, but some of you may not know. Just a walkthrough, man. Just a walkthrough. Just to make it short and sweet. This video is not going to be too long. A lot of the cars that were my top picks, I don't think, some of them weren't even here. And then this guy right here, one of the award winners right here. Hey, man.
Thanks.
This was one of my picks, man. I love it, dude. For your category, you did really good, and I like you put extra time into the display, the details, the minions. That's funny. It's an attention getter, and you put some work into it, and I see it. You know, just keep up the good work, keep it going. You know what I mean?
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you got it, no problem. So there we go. Bam. Awesome. And this guy right here, I got to shake his hand. He was one of the award winners too. So, Bob, if you're watching this, dude, good job. I'm gonna tell you why. You guys can guess why. Look at this. You got the mirrors, undercarriage, everything polished up. And then if you look at this right here, the mirror, hold on, wait, sun glare. This mirror right here, this guy put so much detail into it, and you can tell stuff like that. That's what I noticed. It kind of sets him apart from a crowd. That's when you're showing your car off, obviously. You want to set yourself apart from the crowd. So we're going to check out something over here that's not even part of my lane, but I want to check it out. So some of these cars I didn't get to judge. I didn't even get to see. There's a lot of cars at the show that I didn't even get to see. I was so busy all day. Yeah, this one's nice. I like it. I see it was funny because this is part of somebody else's lane that they judged, but I'm kind of jealous because I wanted some of these to be in my lane so I can kind of, you know, give my own little touches on it, but it's all good. Oh, this right here, Cadillac. Picture me and the wifey rolling in something like this. Got to show this one to Tara. Trying to build something like this is my goal. I like the coupe too. Yeah, the coupe. Chop top. Nice lines. Yes. I think it's a slam to the floor. Again, not part of my lane. First time seeing it. Nice. Who doesn't love a Grand National? Oldsmobile Grand National GNX, dude. Beautiful. Black. Love it. Not part of my lane, but good to see it. Nice. And then this right here. Like it. Nice, nice. Definitely on my list of builds, something like this. And then we have this award winner right here, Barb. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you give her a follow. Oh, look at this awesome photographer right here. You good, man? This fool resting up, man. I know he's been working hard. Put his Instagram down below. Check out some of his shots. This dude's ridiculous. He actually took this shot of my car, so this is the guy, the man behind it. But yeah, dude, here's the award-winning Asian something. I'm sorry, I'm tired, you guys. It's like I judged the show, but I barely remember the categories. I'm like, Jesus Christ, there were so many categories at the show. Yeah, awesome. All right, so just another walkthrough with the other lane. Just checking out these cars really fast because the show is pretty much wrapping up. People pretty much wrapping up, getting ready to go home. Look at that dirt cloud over there. See that dust cloud? My car's in the middle of that. So I'm gonna show you the results of what happens when you park a black car in a dust cloud like that. Check out these last couple cars and trucks and then wrap it up, dude. So this was just a short walkthrough for you guys.
Congratulations to Jim. Thank you, Jim.
So it's literally a dirt storm over there, but it's getting in my eyes. But yeah, we got this cool Datsun or whatever. Sorry.
Okay, I got that over here.
And then we got this full resto mod. This thing has meticulous work put into it. Didn't judge this one either. So, but yeah, people put a lot of work into it. Some people sometimes don't agree with the resto mod because you changed the original parts. You got purists that don't really agree with it, but I like it. You know, I'm split in the middle between basically modern and classic. So I kind of have an unbiased way I judge. Some people judge more of like the fact that it should stay true to its era, but me, I'm like, if a lot of work goes into it and it looks nice, I like the style, then that's just my personal opinion. But yeah, it's the work that goes into it, you know. Some people like original. There's categories for unmodified and whatnot when it comes to classics. So yeah, everybody's got a category, but this thing is ridiculous. You guys, as we wrap up the video, I'm gonna show you what happens when you park your car over here in this area. And the thing that sucks is I didn't get to film earlier. There was a whole freaking DeLorean club that was here. I'll put a picture up if one of my photographer homies got some shots, whatever. But this is the GT500 KR, King of the Road, with the basically kit, Night Rider front end. So you check this out, it actually has the light in the front. I'll show this.
We're waiting on you, Rick. It's okay.
So the modern one, and then of course the classic kit right here. This guy. It just, people, yeah. Look how dirty this thing is, dude. But look at my car, it's not any better. All these black cars, it's like, god dang it. Look at this, dude. This car was clean. I detailed it this morning. The bat sign is brown. Yeah. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, let's go and wrap it up. All right, you guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, try to see what's up with me getting my car washed and everything like that. It's really dirty. Today was a learning experience as far as judging a car show for the first time. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glasses half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend.